Still using Windows 10 and wondering how to safely upgrade to Windows 11 without a USB and without losing your files? And the best part, this method will also work for you if your PC does not meet system requirements for Windows 11. Microsoft has officially announced that support for Windows 10 ends on October 14, 2025. After this date, run no more security updates, no new features, higher risk for bugs and virus. Lights why upgrading now is a smart move. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and official method to upgrade. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and search for Download Windows 11. Click on this website. This is official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Under Download Windows 11 Disk Image, select Windows 11. Then click Confirm. Now choose your language and click Confirm. Click here and file will start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, right-click on it and click Mount. Then copy all the files. Open your C drive, create a new folder, and rename it as Windows 11. Open it and paste all the files here. Now search for command prompt and run it as administrator. Copy folder location and paste it here, then type the following command. Then press enter. You will see an interface like this. Now follow all the steps. And that's it. You've now upgraded to Windows 11 without using a USB and without losing anything. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments how your upgrade went.